Hi guys, come bead with me. So this was a last week order. I got the video of the style, took a close shot. I tried brightening the picture and I'm not even sure what I saw, but this is what I came up with and I want to share the process with you. Take a look, then we get started. I'll be using two types of beads. This is one and this is the second one, and this is the needle I'll be recommending for you. This is what it looks like on the inside. You will need two needle for this beading. You are going to thread it just like I've done and ensure that the two threads are of equal length, not at the end of the thread. Then we get started. I've already done one side, but we'll be doing the other side together. I'll come to the shoulder and insert the needle from the wrong side of the dress like this, and because it's the start of the beading, I will be inserting the big one first. Please note that my two needles are together. After inserting the big one, I will split the needle into two. Can you see they are apart now? So I'm going to be inserting the small beads. I'm so sorry, I didn't realize that I did not capture this part. So I'm picking 4 beads. Each needle picked 4 beads. Decide on the number you want to use and be consistent. Can you see? I picked 4. So I'm going to put my two needles together and I will insert the big one right now. So this is what we have. I'm going to insert my needle right after the big one. Can you see how close it is? It's as simple as that. I will pass the two needles from the wrong side to the right side of the dress, still ensuring it's as close to the bead as possible, and then I will keep repeating the process. This is one of the two needles. It has just picked 4 beads. I will take the second needle and I will pick 4 beads again. After this, I will put the two needles together and I will insert the bigger bead now. Push it up and keep repeating the process. This is the part that didn't show the other time, so I'm going to do it a couple more times so you can fully understand the process. This is the outcome. I haven't exactly seen anything like this anywhere before. I can only hope that this is what was in the picture. Do you think I did justice to this? Let me know in the comment section. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and bye for now.